All right, so for anybody who is wanting to either reactivate a returning student, or if you want to add a new student, this is what you're going to want to do. Whether or not you know if they're new or not, they could have been with us years ago and maybe had a Read Live account. So what I want everyone to do is just double check the student's name before you get started by going into the student administration. And then you're going to go to student setup. And what you're going to want to do is right now, I inactivated everybody to kind of give us somewhat of a clean slate. There is no search feature, unfortunately, so you are just going to have to scroll through. And if you do see a student of yours, so let me go to one of my students from last year that I know she will be doing Read Live again. I'm going to go down to the S's. All right, I'm getting there. All right, yep, Rania. I'm going to go ahead and click the box next to her name. I want to change the status. I want to make Rania active now because she's inactive at this time. And what you have to do, and I know I wish this was I wish Read Live made this easier, but then you have to go back down and find that student again. And then what you want to do is you want to go into, and Rania is a third grader now, so I want to change her to third grade. And then we save and close. And then I'm going to go find her again. I should have chose a student that had a last name that started with A. There she is. All right, and then I already changed her status. I changed her grade. I don't have to worry about homeroom teacher because I had her in second grade. But if it's a third grader moving to fourth or something like that, or a first grader moving to second, you might also have to change the homeroom for selected, okay? And then Rania, the student should be set to go. Usernames and passwords aren't going to change. A license is available. You have to go ahead and hit yes. You have to give her a license. I'll just go ahead and put my name back in here again. And let's see here. I think that's about everything that you have to do as far as, changing a student. I guess maybe, well, I guess not. But I think that's about it. This word warm-ups access is new. What's this? To give the student access to the word warm-ups live phonics intervention. To use word warm-ups, a student must be licensed and be placed in both. Oh, I don't know if we have a license to this, you guys. So the default assignment in word warm-ups level live is level 1. I don't know. I'll give it a shot. Maybe I'll test that out for you guys. And then just go ahead and hit save and close. So that's what you have to do for all of your returning students. If it is a brand spanking new student, you know for sure they've never been with MNVA. Then of course you're just going to go into the a new student. You'll go ahead, first name, last name, student ID, grade. Um, this we usually try to do student ID number at MNVA for the user ID, and then we usually try to do MNVA for the password just to keep it the same. And then again, you can actually assign a license. You don't have to wait for me to do it. And then you can choose yourself as the lead teacher, and then you can save and close or save in another. So let me know. This is Patty Herman if you have any questions about Read Live.